ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच सर्वभूतस्थितं यो मां भजत्येकत्वमास्थितः सर्वथा वर्तमानोऽपि स योगी मयि वर्तते। Sixth chapter, 31st shloka. Bhagavan Krishna keeps on talking about in this nididhyasanam, dhyanam, atma samyama yogam, how a jnani does nididhyasanam and attains Sachidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam and enjoys it. Here Bhagavan Krishna says one more important point. Two important points. One who sees the oneness, the Sachidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam in his Nididhyasanam, in his sincere contemplation, sincere inquiry on Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, and he understood that oneness of Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, that yogi, he abides in me. Though he is doing in his current time some other activities also, in every way if he does other activity, other actions also, he abides in me, that I am Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam. I am everywhere. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. One who sees everywhere in me, or one who sees me everywhere as oneness, as Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, he does other activity in every way, then too he abides in me. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Means abides in me, we can take it in two different way. He abides in me, Krishnatvam, Ishwaratvam, Satchidananda Parabrahma, Paramanandatvam. That yogi understands, feels, enjoys that Paramananda Parabrahma Swarupam is not elsewhere, it is inside me. That inside is Ishwaratvam, Krishnatvam, Bhagavan himself. My own Atma is Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramanandam. That he understands. That yogi, even if he does other activity also, he firmly engages in Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam. He abides in me. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. So, sincere, long Nididhyasanam is very, very important. Without any disturbance, totally away from external activities, and with high level of concentration, you have to do contemplation on Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam. Thus he attains Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam. That is nothing but Krishnatvam. That is nothing but Ishwaratvam. That is nothing but reaching Bhagavan himself, though he involved in some other activities in everywhere also. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 32nd sloka. Till then, Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat.